How to fix audio problem in WhatsApp video call on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix audio problem in WhatsApp video call on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and here click apps again. Now here you need to find your installed apps, and then just find WhatsApp, type here WhatsApp and click on it, and first go to permissions and then allow storage and phone and microphone and camera. Enable all of those: microphone, phone, storage and camera. Just click on it and click allow, and then go to storage, clear cache and restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.